Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Was scheduled to do a video on a mini DSP SHD, and I still will be doing it, but I realized it's going to be a little more comprehensive than my normal just get in front of the camera and talk off the cuff. This one, I think I'm going to spend a little more time helping you out with the direct and EQ and be more comprehensive, because this is just not a plug and play piece that you just evaluate after you plug it in and hook everything up. So I'm going to spend a little more time putting that together. But another reason why I'm leapfrogging doing that video right for now is because I was recently at 3MA Audio, and a gentleman while I was there bought MBL Extremes and met the guy. Great guy, fun guy. We even went to his house. He's going to probably be doing a custom server that I build. I build those for certain people. So we're going to probably be doing one of those for him as well. And we've gone to his house. And if you've seen the Las Vegas house I featured in a recent series, you've seen the other one near Denton, Texas, the artist room, magnificent room. This one, you'll be equally impressed in terms of, it's basically a museum inside with some of the collectibles he has, both music and non-music related, just history related, as well as his own personal studio for recording music. So I think you'll enjoy that. So I decided to leapfrog doing the mini DSP for now, and I'm gonna put up some footage from the initial walkthrough of his house so you kind of get acquainted. But this will be a multi-part series, similar to like I did in the past with my friend Doug. If you've watched, early subscribers probably saw that series where he took ownership of MBL 101Es and we walked through the whole process. Really fun series. So I'm gonna probably do something similar like that with this guy. So enough of me talking. Why don't you just check out this guy's house? Again, sign up, subscribe though, and I'll see you back here soon. Newest owner of MBL Extremes. Of course, he's got the car to match the Extremes. Stay tuned for a video in the future with this gentleman. New audiophile, starting system today, MBL Extremes. Gonna be killer. Super nice guy, fun. Can't wait to shoot the video. Stay tuned, guys.
Okay, can you access from the back? Maybe. Hello? Let's check it.
I'm gonna go grab my flashlight.
It should be the. Yeah, I think that's the
Bluetooth?
Bluetooth.
Echo.
Yeah. I don't know. I really didn't install these. Let me try a couple passwords. Yeah. I'll see.
All right. MBL Extremes are not going in here, but cool room. Okay, so this is the location for the new MBL Extremes that were bought. And so we're just kind of scouting out. You've got about 8 power cords with all the amps, plus the electronics, plus the subwoofer towers. And you know, it's a very huge real estate required, but this is a huge room that is conducive to it. Opens to the kitchen. Done some just primitive echo tests, clapping your hands and talking in the room, and it's not really that bad despite not having any formal room treatments. So this is the before, just to show you brand new audiophile going from what he did have, actually not too bad, an Oppo and a Denon receiver, not too bad. Not sure what sub that is, Eclipse, yeah. Does have a nice little home theater, but this will be a nice upgrade, MBL Extremes from this, so stay tuned. Take a quick tour.
Yeah, this is like a museum, you know? So
Beautiful house, yeah.
That takes a while to show you everything.
yeah, no,
Well,
This is gonna be an exercise today, Steve.
Guitars, I've been collecting these guitars for 20 years. It's nothing
Oh
new.
my God, look at this.
And I have these forever.
Holy, I've never seen a collection like
A lot
this.
of them I recorded with some of these dudes.
So
That's
what's,
a 1996 Paul Reed Smith. First year they ever came out with them.
oh my God, that thing is gorgeous.
That's my dad's radio. That was his family radio.
Really?
That's Merle Haggard, Johnny Smith, 68 Jazz Bass, George Benson, GB10, 1960s Les Paul Standard.
Oh my God. This is sick.
I bought that one in Japan.
Really?
Yeah, that's a copy, a gold top copy. 1960 gold top, it's a copy. Custom shop copy. It's a real great guitar.
What was this one here? The George?
That's your GB10, a George Benson
Okay.
GB10. Great guitar.
Yeah.
That's just made out of the organ parts. It's a fake guitar.
Right. So yeah.
That
that's
whole thing came from an 1868 organ.
Huh.
Like an organ, organ
Right.
in the church.
Yeah. So somebody just made that as an art piece? Huh.
See, I got all kinds of weird stuff here.
This stuff's
Ooh, here's the
amazing.
first year of Jimmy Page guitar, 1996. First year of the Jimmy Page copy. And that's signed by Keith Urban.
What's the story of this?
It's just in the first year of the Jimmy Page guitar.
Big-
That's some exotic bass guitars, I
Yeah.
know what it is.
Okay. I got some bass guitar fans.
Got this SF90 coming in November.
Yeah, that's gonna be amazing. Barbara's my buddy, like we worked together for a long time, so he's here to help out with the.
Good deal, good. I saw I met you the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did. He was there yesterday. Yeah.
Man, these are sick.
That guy right there is Frank and Ball. I recorded 10 songs with him. And he signed that 10 years ago before I ever even met him. But now I've recorded with him a bunch of songs. So I mean, he's my friend now.
Glows in the dark.
Frank and Ball. Look, see the date,
Yeah.
09.
Oh, nice.
But I just recorded last year, or 07, I guess. Anyway, that's a real special Joe Satriani guitar. That's vintage. That's cool guitar right there, vintage.
Joe Satriani.
They're all pretty special.
They all.
No, these are, like it'd be hard. I'm not even gonna ask you what's your
This
favorite.
is my father's.
Yeah.
That was my dad's radio when he was 12, and this was their family radio.
Yeah, that's pretty
So
amazing.
my dad sold this.
Yes, this is a museum of guitars.
I haven't heard that name for a while.
It's un-freaking believable.
Oh.
This still
An
works.
old Gibson amp
He said,
there.
he goes, son, is that my radio?
Fender amp. Just anytime I turn around, there's more stuff to check out.
Prototype. I want to offer you a
One of them.
All right,
Yeah.
rare treat, guys. Hope you're enjoying.
Just sit here.
Wait,
Yes.
there's a Picasso just on the floor here. We missed the Picasso.
Look, it's a bull boning a woman. She's blowing bull sperm out of her mouth, I guess. It's terrible. He's known as El Toro. That's what
Yeah.
Picasso's known as.
This
El
is where
Toro.
Picassos go.
So it's actually worth
Steve,
more money
my,
because of that.
my MC75.
This guy's got his priorities right. Picasso on the floor behind the curtains and
Yeah, there's no price tag on that.
feature.
There's
I
not.
know, I'm not American enough. We're gonna see.
His 40 and 50s.
Remember the Who?
Yeah.
Oh,
But signed by the drummer, Frank. The drummer. That's the main thing. He signed. Sticks signed in the '70s, so that was their big album.
Jeez.
Oh, y'all know who that is. Patsy Cline, but that's Benny Hill. Benny Hill.
Yeah, Benny
That's how
Hill.
you watch that? Oh, he's chasing women.
Yes, you remember
Yeah,
Benny Hill? He
yeah.
was funny as shit.
Wow. Your own little recording studio.
Yeah, and I can record. It's fully recording ability. And I got everything working again, so I'm gonna start playing next week. All of these are turned on and hooked up.
Got some room treatments in here.
Oh, see, buddy. Oh, yeah, Johnny. These are, I gotta replace some of those. with yours.
Yeah, we can make something.
That's the big word, but
Yeah.
it's just ugly.
Yeah, I know this company. Yeah, I have some.
We got a ground loop somewhere.
And this is all vintage. Vintage.
Yeah, these are
This is-
badass. Oh my god.
But those are, that's vintage and that's vintage and that's vintage.
They got to sound amazing.
Hell, they do. Oh, here, Jimmy.
No, I'm good.
Got it.
Some of these amazing clips of, we're gonna drop down. We'll make something super cool with the
You know, Michael Jackson, right before he died, he got terrible. That was when he was rehearsing before he died. He got terrible. But with George Strait.
We want to talk each other.
They don't come together.
You said it is Boy George because he's the opposite of George Strait. Oh, George.
No, that's not Boy George. That's
I know,
Michael
but if
Jackson.
you put Boy George there, Boy
Yeah, so
George
you-
is right?
Yeah.
George Strait, so they're opposite each
Oh,
other. Boy George and George Strait.
That's some George Strait signed.
Anybody want the doobie?
BB,
I believe
Tom, Bruce, CCR,
Ooh, but look right here, the important one's here. John Bonham.
John Bond.
Yeah, the drummer. That's all of Led Zeppelin. The Cars over there. The guy that did the heart around his face, he died of a heart attack.
Really?
Yep.
Oh yeah, Rick
This is
Ocasek, yeah.
Genesis. This is signed by Phil Collins and Peter Gabriel, both.
Both of them are on that, yeah.
Then all of those guys, all the original,
Holy cow.
Buddy Rich.
Legitimate sign.
Top, they're not, they don't do a whole bunch of stuff.
No.
This douchebag, I can't stand him. I just like to get rid of him. But look, Peter Frampton was signed in the 70s.
What's he doing now? You know anything?
He still tours a
Yeah,
little
I
bit.
thought I saw where he's touring.
He's actually still good like he used to be.
That's good, yeah.
That one, same
Hey,
thing.
Takashi Murakami.
Yeah, I have a
Two of
bunch. I have 3 of them.
Michael
You got something
Jackson,
I like.
I know.
I can move in.
George Strait.
When it's done, yeah, for sure.
Please, I really do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep.
I mean, just
Stay, but those are
But at least we can put.
sorry guys, it's like my head's on a spindle here, so I'm sure I'm moving the camera a lot, but trying to catch everything in here, it's just amazing.
and maybe those two.
Okay. That one, we should just leave it?
Yeah.
Or you want to do some pop?
Well, I think these should pop.
So it
Well, I
comes
don't know, dude. I don't know. Maybe we do those and leave those the same. Do
Frank
those
Sinatra signed.
in.
Oh my god.
Crazy color is so cool that
I know.
it just
Gick,
makes the room
Gick acoustics.
I know.
They're not that pricey.
Even some ceiling panels.
Yeah, I did take
I
a
do have a
picture.
rug. I've got a rug that's that color.
So,
That's nice, don't do that. Peter Lick is fine.
and you've seen these, so
Underneath all this, it's real vivid colors. I made the rug to match that.
Oh, so you guys can lay
more
Yeah, it's getting thick.
treatments than most audiophiles have in their rooms for their stereos.
One week. They said 2
All right.
weeks, 2 weeks ago. So. Now, history
Here's the
part.
tour.
Ready?
Yeah, history lesson here.
Here's the Sam Houston document. Oh, I showed you this.
Yeah.
But that is his signature. But to have this thing on this is a Texas land grant when Texas was an independent country. But with that hanging there, it's pretty hard to find.
Wow.
Here, over here, real quick. It's pretty heavy. So that's George Armstrong Custer a month before he was killed at Little Bighorn ordering more supplies.
Come on.
Yeah. Evel Knievel signed in the 70s with the original old frame.
Oh, this is my era.
tell
Yes.
because it's
This
shitty
iconic
photo.
picture, yeah.
And Amelia Earhart signed right there. It was a family-owned photo, but then this was signed in Clear Lake when she was promoting her around-the-world flight. So that was signed in Clear Lake, where she flew in and landed, had a luncheon.
Really?
Yeah, she went around America doing that, promoting the around the world flight where she disappeared.
And so, okay.
Then there's Napoleon Bonaparte in 1812, the day before he invaded Russia, where like 1 million men were killed.
Come on.
No, yeah, come on.
I can't believe
Here's Houdini.
you got this, though.
I've been collecting my whole life. Here's Howard Hughes and his around the world crew. So after she disappeared, he did it 4 years later in 1938. Signed right there, Howard. This is the flight crew. It went to him, and then to his son, and then to me. And it's the original frame. So then this flag went up on the first shuttle, not the second shuttle, STS-1. 1, not 2, not 5, not 10, 1. So he just went up and came back. Then Robert Ballard discovered the Titanic, last leaving Melvina Dean. She was the last living survivor on the Titanic.
Interesting.
Here, hurry, pronto. There's Hemingway in Cuba right before he killed himself.
Even in the bathroom, you've got museum pieces.
Yeah.
This is insane.
for me.
Ernest Hemingway.
Yeah.
That is insane.
And there's Elvis signed twice.
Yeah, put some Elvis signature stuff in your bathroom, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. So this is the original map, 1828. To find these maps in this condition, 1828, when Texas wasn't even a state, right?
That is
And
cool.
this is 1868. Still an amazing old mint condition map. But because all the cities are the same. If you had the little fucked up little
It
country
almost,
towns,
yeah, it's such good shape. It almost looks like a reproduction.
It's not.
Yeah, that is amazing.
it's nothing's a reproduction, so you can see.
That is so cool.
That's Santa Ana. So I have Sam Houston in Santa Ana, handwritten letter by Santa Ana.
That's crazy.
And then here's the Ed Hillary that did Mount Everest first. Whatever. Bunch of weird shit. I have a bunch of Bonnie and Clyde stuff. I'll show you downstairs.
Oh my
This
God.
rug was in Michael Jackson's house where he died. He was renting a home in Brentwood,
Okay.
and he died in the bedroom. This was in the bathroom in front of the mirror. So when he couldn't sleep, he'd be dancing on this rug.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
And when he died, the people sold everything in the house.
In the house?
I got
Okay.
about 3 or 4 things around here that were in that house.
What happened to the soap tray?
That's already in Galveston. This is the month after the big hurricane in whenever it was in 1900, when
Okay.
10,000 people were killed.
Okay. Yeah.
Are you aware of that in Galveston? A big massive
Yeah, I'm from
hurricane?
Louisiana originally, so yeah, this history is new to me.
But so that party never happened. This thing was probably floating somewhere, and somebody got it, brought it
Such
back.
great shape. Yeah, that's cool though.
Isn't that funny? But that party never happened.
So the best part, I'm told, is yet to come.
Yes.
And this.
Yeah, no, not they can take them. That's crazy.
Okay.
So we put on the
You know
light.
Bonnie and Clyde?
Yeah.
So that's a poem that Bonnie typed and signed her name over and over again.
Wow.
And there was a shootout in Joplin, Missouri, and they found this in the apartment. So this was on loan at the Smithsonian, at the Crime and Punishment Museum for 5 years. And they both went together. So I loaned them to the
Yeah,
Smithsonian
you told me
for
that.
5. I did.
No, you didn't tell me. You
Actual
told me.
Smithsonian pieces.
5 years.
Holy
So this was from a cosmetic case that was in the car when they were killed. You know how they were shot on the side of the road? In Louisiana, they were shot on the side of the road.
Okay. Yeah. It's like-
Anyway, look, there's some of her cigarette butts. The ashes are still down there.
Oh wow.
That's not what I paid, says Bonnie Parker. Cosmetic case, but I paid, everything was double. I paid $25,000.
Oh my God.
But the last
That's
mirror,
cool though.
the last mirror she ever looked in, right there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
My brothers are like, wonder why that doesn't have bullet holes in it.
Maybe to save it.
Is that a Johnny
Hey,
Carson mug?
Carson's the last one from his desk. That's
Oh,
the
really?
last mug from his desk, yes. Oh my God. He always used the same mug, but that's the last one.
Wow.
I always loved Johnny Carson.
Yeah, yeah. I'm actually sad to say old enough to know.
I know, right? All right, guys, that's it. George Lopez.